Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Well, we freaking did it. Well, not we, but we somewhat did it. Bitcoin is finally at an all-time high, and it's leapfrog its last all-time high by quite a lot. Almost about $2,000. The new all-time high is 66,889, and I believe we're going to go a lot higher. And more than that, it looks like the altcoins are on Bitcoin's tails now. They have a lot of catching up to do. Ethereum is finally above 4,000, but it should be above 4,300. VeChain is at 12 cents, but it really should be at like 25 cents. So at 66,000, I think it will probably be a few days, if not a few weeks delayed, before alts really start catching up. That's kind of what happened last time, if you guys don't remember. Like Bitcoin really started rising last year, like Bitcoin really started rising the first half of the year, and then it was really the second half of the year that altcoins really, really leapt up. And even like into very early this year, when Bitcoin wasn't really rising, well, I guess Bitcoin was still rising, but it was like actually like 1 or 2 months delayed from when Bitcoin really, really started charging up to when altcoins really started going up. Because the altcoins didn't really hit the all-time high until probably like April. And it was really March and April that the altcoins really, really started going up. Whereas Bitcoin was going up all along since like late last year and even into early last year. So altcoins really lagged Bitcoin by a few months before they actually hit the all-time high. Bitcoin hit it first, and then altcoins followed. That's probably what we're going to do today, right now. But it might follow tighter on the heels. As soon as Bitcoin hit the all-time high, we see a sea of green. Remember, yesterday it was a bit of red, a bit of green all over the place, but now it's a sea of green. Besides Shiba Inu and the altcoins, and and the stable coins. And the stable coins are stable, so they don't really count. Shiba Inu is, well, Shiba Inu, so meme coins do meme coin things. So basically, almost everything is up that we know of. VeChain is up like 3%. Ethereum's up like a whole almost 7. ADA is up like 3. Doge is up like 4. So you can see it's quickly following along. I don't think this is where you want to sell your Bitcoin sell your altcoins for Bitcoins. Bitcoins might rise first, but you don't really know when that trend is going to reverse. Because I think like the trend caught other people last time by surprise. And I see like a lot of people saying the same things about the same coins around like last year at this time too. Why is Bitcoin rising? Why is my VET still at half a penny or 1 cent? And then, it rose to 25 cents. So while it might not have a 25x like last time, I think there's a good like 5-10x in it, and you'll make much more money than Bitcoin if you actually hold the altcoins. Now, I do think Bitcoin's going to rise a lot higher because we have one Bitcoin ETF approved, and the Van Eck one is actually going to get approved. It's a Bitcoin futures ETF, by the way. So the Van Eck one's going to get approved. Grayscale is trying to convert their Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale is actually going to convert their Bitcoin shares thing into a physical Bitcoin ETF. And Grayscale has been working with the regulators for a very long time. So we might actually get a physical Bitcoin ETF. Plus, you have Brazil thinking about making it legal tender, El Salvador and Venezuela already making it legal tender, Russia making some positive moves in regards to cryptocurrency, and India actually opening an OTC trade desk day. So you have all those things coming in. I think that will actually inspire some FOMO. Now, Plan B has said that we're going to go to 135K, and then the big retail FOMO will start. I personally don't think so. I think we're going to start a retail FOMO fairly soon, and then it'll probably top up around 150K. That's my bet. But I'm still going to wait for the alts to super moon before I really sell anything. The volume on Bitcoin is pretty good at 32 billion. And the volume on other things is definitely catching up as well. So I would definitely plan to see like a lot of our favorite alts like burst up. Some will probably go more than others. I still think Solana will probably burst more up than others. I think Luna will probably go up more than others as well eventually. Because they're kind of like the two new main nets. And Polkadot should go up more than others because the parachain auctions are coming. So those three I would definitely look at. Cardano I do expect to go up a lot as well. But we're limiting it at like 4x or so for Cardano because it's already had a pump, and we're still waiting for all those dApps to come on board. And I'm not really sure when they're going to come on board. If all the dApps come on board and they're great, they should go up more. But realistically, we have to wait for the dApps to come on board. So I'm looking at somewhere between 100 and 150,000 for the Bitcoin max, possibly as high as 300,000, because I think that range is actually possible. I do think there will be a resistance at 100,000, but I think we will break it. But during the bear market, I'm thinking we're for sure going to go below 100,000, maybe to 50,000 or so on the bear market. We might have another small retrace before we go up again, but the all-time high barrier has been shattered, and it's been shattered by 2,000 points. So that's very significant. I would say like wait at least a month or two before you expect that huge Bitcoin run. It might run before, but at least give it a month or two before you expect that huge altcoin run. And we want to see Bitcoin clear 100,000 as well. So I think the FOMO is about to start. I think you're going to see like media outlets really looking to report this stuff for clicks. And I think like retail investors, even though that swore they would never actually use Bitcoin again or invest in Bitcoin again, jump in as well. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.